Hi, my name is Lindsay Sherrato, and this is a capstone project for the MSIT at KSU master's program. So our final project was COVID-19 mortality prediction using machine learning techniques. And a part of my team was Kennedy McKenna, me, Lindsay Sherrato, and Dwayne Flanders. So our motivation for this research was to identify health risks that contribute to COVID-19 related to mortality, and for clinical decisions to be determined to see which patients need to be triaged and the level of care. So we used Wicca to do machine learning models that can predict patients' risk of mortality, and we hope to contribute this to the research community to combat COVID-19. So using patient data that's available publicly that had 95,000 instances from about a month and a half. So we took that data with 20 features, we pre-processed it, applied feature selection techniques, applied machine learning techniques, and then we're able to come up with machine learning predictive models. So our approach was using feature selection, so looking at the top 6, 10, and 15, and also using assemble techniques such as bagging, stacking, and boosting, and then also combining them as well. So here we have the feature selection with 10 cross validation. So out of this, you can see that the K nearest neighbor, less features actually did increase the accuracy, but most of them did not. But we did this also became 96% accuracy, which is still a good measure. So is stacking, which uses multiple classifiers instead of just one. So on this one, you can see that the naive Bayes single vector machine and the K nearest neighbor using all attributes or ranked both got the highest out of these, and it was 96%. So also we did bagging, and with bagging, most all of them were up to 96%. And also with boosting, it didn't really matter between attributes as well. It was within 1 or 2% here, but still 96%. So our conclusion was that 96% accuracy was an acceptable measure, and most of our algorithms were up there. And we also saw that the risk factors were if the patient was intubated, the patient type, if they were admitted to the ICU, the diagnosis, if they had pneumonia, the age of the patient, and if they were COVID positive, over having diabetes, hypertension, or chronic kidney failure. So we hope to submit this to the IEE conference on ICT solutions for eHealth in September of this year. One of our challenges that we overcame was the computing process to run some of these algorithms was a lot higher. So to go back in time, we would have used a HPC environment to run these algorithms. So we were running them on each other's computers, VMs, everything like that. So, but we overcame it. But this is our contact information if you have any questions.